Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve stumble guys button. To know how to fix or how to solve stumble guys button, you should just go to settings. Then in this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you will search about this window of stumble guys. Then in this list of app info, you will enter to first stop. Here we click OK, then you will enter to storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store. You will search about stumble guys. If you will find here an uninstall, you can click and then you can install again your app to fix your problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.